So guys, I'm just coming on here just to give you a quick update that I've just received a call from the couriers and they are arriving in 10 minutes with my new cooker and my hood, and I'm so excited, I can't wait. So I'll be back very soon to show you that. So there's our delivery truck, guys, and they're just coming through and parking up now. So the guys are just bringing it in now.
Hold you a little bit. Right, 1, 2, 3. Put it up. Right, 1, 2, 3 again. Just here.
So look at the size of this beast. And then we've got a hood to match it. We couldn't get it past here, so I just had to close the camera for 2 ticks. There you go. So guys, it's finally arrived, and just look at the size of that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Just look at the beast. I so can't wait to use this. Fantastic stuff. Just look at these gorgeous ovens. Wowzers, look at that. Sorry, the light's a bit, it's a bit dark here. But just look at these beauties. Fantastic service by AO. I have to admit, I'm really, really impressed. And it's a massive oven. And I'll show you that once it's all complete as well, and in our kitchen. Bye! Okay. Just look at the mess getting a new kitchen makes. New lighting being put in. The units are coming in. Plastering of the ceilings is still not dried yet, so no chance of painting over that just yet. Wow, I honestly can't wait for this to be completed. As you can see guys, lots of work going on here. Some of the work tops are outside and the rest of the units are here. Some are on this side and outside, so hopefully it should get finished within the next week or so. In the meantime, I will still be showing you glimpses of how the kitchen's going on, and Dad's obviously painted the top sections of the kitchen before the units go down. Still needs to do the corners though, so I'm hoping he'll do that tonight. But yeah, I'll keep showing you glimpses. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye! So guys, this is the current situation of the kitchen. Ceiling has been plastered but it's still wet. It's been 48 hours and there is still little damp bits here and there. So it's not fully dried. And these are the rest of the things that are going to be going in. The plumbing work is taking place today as well. He's rerouting it all for us. And that's our massive larder over there. That is absolutely huge. A quarter unit, something we've always wanted and something we've gone for now. The light's not great in here because obviously all the electricals are shut. The lights are obviously turned off due to the live wiring and the lights. And then we've got some pipes here that need moving again, so this unit can fit nicely in the corner and they won't have to sort of cut through the unit. But yeah, I'll keep sharing the progress reports, and this is how it's looking at the moment. Morning guys, it's a Thursday morning, really dull weather, and this is the kitchen progress. So as you can see, we've got a few units installed, but there's a long way to go, yeah, and a lot to get in. So I'm just showing you little glimpses of what's going on so far. So there's a few, we're having another cabinet over there. This is the space for my cooker. As you can tell, it's massive, like really, really huge, and I can't wait for that to get installed. And then we've got all of this going in, and at the moment it's just chaos, so you probably won't be able to visualize it unless it's all installed. But that's the script so far, and we've got just a few more units to install, and then they're gonna start installing the base units. But I'm just giving you a little bit of a glimpse. It's now been a week since the kitchen work started and is still ongoing. But yeah, that's the look so far, and I'll keep you updated.